So today's shout out goes to Rais Ahmed Masurkar.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You all are watching Food Venture Folks. So today we've come to Harish Lunch Home, which is situated in the Fort area. So the first starter that we've ordered here is the prawns fry. They seem to be like medium-sized prawns. There's a very intense taste of carom seeds which is coming through. As you can see, the prawns out here, they are very fresh. I think they've added some chaat masala as well on top. They've served this with some chutney, and I think this is the pudina chutney. Let's try it out with the pudina chutney. I'm going to place one small onion ring on this. So there's a new feature called Hype which is rolled out on YouTube, and it's a new feature. So just in case if you have enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit that Hype button which is just next to the comment section. The next one that we've ordered is the Bombil Rava Fry. The taste of ginger garlic, turmeric and red chili powder is coming through really well.
बोमिल रवा फ्राई क्रिस्पी ऐसा एकदम।
हेलो सर, आपका नाम क्या है मुझे बताएंगे, और थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री इस जगह के बारे में, ये कभी स्टार्ट हुआ था?
मेरा नाम गिरीश सालियन है। ये रेस्टोरेंट 1974 में एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था।
1974, ओके।
ऑलमोस्ट 52 इयर्स हो गया। हमारा कुकिंग है स्पेशल इन साउथ इंडियन मैंगो टाइप नॉन वेज।
ओके,
अच्छा दिन है।
ओके,
तो फिश में हम वैरायटी अलग अलग वैरायटी हमारा पास है।
ओके,
तो ये हमारा जो कुकिंग है वो आज का जनरेशन को लाइक होता है।
ओके,
This is actually my father started.
ओके।
We continue with me. And
So you're
now
the second generation.
Third generation.
Third generation is continuing it.
Continue.
Okay, great. Now the next is the lepo fry, and just look at those deep fried lepo. They look so captivating. That's a big bite. So इसमें salt थोड़ा कम था. So what I'm gonna do is, this mint chutney is really interesting. So I'm gonna put some mint chutney, some onion, and some lime over this, and then try it out. If If you have enjoyed watching this video till here, then do click on that like button and subscribe to my channel because I keep posting and making such videos. Now this one here is a starter, which is a Bhangra Tandoori, and they've served this with some cabbage, cucumber, beetroot and sliced tomatoes.
Comes in honor of you submitted. I'm not saying I'm the boss. They know who can take pay. Now I'll show you the jihasa.
तंदूरी मसाला लगा के इसे तंदूर किया हुआ है, and you can see that it's charred so well at the edges.
Hello, I'm Vineet Salian. I'm the third generation to carry forward this legacy of Harish Lansong. So we are specifically into Mangalorean cuisine.
Now the next starter here is the Suppi Sukka. Now this is a South Indian starter. I'm going to savor this in a moment, but let me tell you, the moment he got it, this was so aromatic. Garma garam hai. So it's actually very easy to just scoop out the meat from the shell. It's just like this, you scoop it out and you put it in your mouth. The flavor from the spices are so intense. I really like the way they prepared it. I think the coconut was first dry roasted and then the clams were added. It is a bit spicy, but you won't get the spicy kick immediately. If you get a chance to come here, do try out this Suppi Sukka. I like how all the flavors are incorporated, all the spices are incorporated in this recipe. You can see there is this tempering of curry leaves and mustard seeds as well. Let's try the prawns ghee roast with the neer dosa. And as you all would have seen here, there are cumin seeds which I noticed. Now this is something very unusual, but I'm sure this is going to taste nice because of the cumin seeds. They've given this tempering of curry leaves on top of it. So this prawns ghee roast is a semi-gravy consistency, and the flavor of red chili is quite intense in it. Now let's try the prawns gassi. Now this is a coconut based curry, and you'll be able to see onions out here. There are chilies as well, there are green chilies, and I think they've given tempering of mustard seeds along with the curry leaves. Because of the natural taste of coconut, it has turned out to be slightly sweet. I don't think they've added any garlic in this though, but I think there's a tad bit of ginger that I can taste in this. They've given this curry as well. I have one of my subscriber commenting on my video saying that they want to see me trying the mutton dishes. So here I have ordered for this mutton sukka. Seems to be like a coconut based gravy. The spices are quite mild in this dish, and it was very aromatic. I like the mutton preparation. Honestly, The mutton is very soft and very juicy. And as you can see out here, there are curry leaves and mustard seeds which they've used as tempering. There's a good amount of fat which is holding on to this mutton piece. I'm gonna go for it as it looks yummy. Now let's try the chicken sukha. The chicken tends to be a bit stringy, but I find the mutton pieces were much more softer and much more juicier than the chicken pieces. As you can see here, the coconut is coarsely ground. If I have to pick between the two, chicken sukha and the mutton sukha, I would definitely go for the mutton sukha. Highly recommended. I really like the way the spices have been incorporated in this dish, and the mutton is very juicy and very tasty. I would say the mutton is quite flavorful, so definitely try it out if you're coming here. So this chicken sukha, I think it's a little bit dry. It's a little bit on the dry side, but you can definitely pair it with some neer dosa and have it. And on the other end, this mutton sukha that you see, this is almost a gravy kind of a consistency. And again, this too you can pair it with a neer dosa or any other Indian breads, and I'm sure this taste is going to be amazing. The base for both the gravies are that of coconut, but the flavor of mutton sukha is quite distinct from that of the chicken sukha. Let's try the kori roti. So this is basically the roti. It's almost like a rice papad. So I had visited the roti making factory in Karkala. This was in Kuntalpadi in the Udupi district. So just in case if you've not watched the video, you can check it out from the playlist, and you can see the thumbnail also displayed right now. That's the video you should look out for once you're done with this one. So you'll see while you're eating the kori roti, some part of it will get soggy and some of it will be crispy. I like to keep it, half portion of it as crispy roti and half of it as the soggy one. I like to eat it like that. You comment and let me know if you like to have it something which is completely soggy or you like to have the crispy roti. Now next I've ordered for this brown rice. Now this one is the chicken liver peta masala. So there are these liver pieces which are added in it. This one is a coconut based gravy, and you see that the gravy is quite smooth in terms of texture. The taste is quite meaty. जैसे बाजार से हम मीट मसाला लाते हैं और कुछ बनाते हैं, चिकन का प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, ये कुछ वैसा टेस्ट आ रहा है इसका. Now next I've ordered the prawns biryani, and they've served this with some raita here. There are these medium-sized prawns that you can see. It looks like they've added some whole spices. There's this cardamom, which I can see. This is the green cardamom. They've also added some chopped green chilies. There's onions. Oh, there are lots of onions. And I think they've added a lot of gravy at the center. And then they've topped it up with some basmati rice. This is the raita of onions, tomatoes, and some chopped coriander leaves. So I have covered many Goan, Mangalorean and South Indian restaurants recently, and if you enjoy watching such videos, then do click on subscribe and like this video and share it with as many people as possible.
So as we specialize in Mangalorean seafood cuisine, we have people coming here for specifically for seafood, and we procure our seafood fishes from the Fort Market or from Prophet Market.
Hello ma'am, I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It goes by the name Food Venture Folks. How do you find the food here?
So far, what I've tasted, it's amazing. I've tasted the prawns
Okay,
as well as the Bombay duck
Okay.
fry with the green chutney.
okay. Are you coming here for the first time or you are a regular visitor?
First time I've ever come here.
Okay. How did you get to know about this place?
For a friend of mine.
Okay.
Someone told her about it. So,
So you're enjoying the prawns
absolutely.
and the Bombay
yes,
duck as
Bombay
well.
duck. Yes,
You would like to recommend it.
absolutely. So far, that's what I'm starting with. So,
Thank you.
thank you.
Hello sir, I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It goes by the name Food Venture Folks. How do you find food here?
This is one of the oldest hotel. I've been coming to this hotel since early 80s.
Oh, okay.
So almost about 40 plus years I've been coming. This is my actually home food for me.
Okay.
I don't go to any other hotel.
Okay.
Yeah, for the last 40 years.
What do you like to order when you're here?
I only know Mangalorean.
Okay. So what is it that you've ordered today?
This is mutton shuka,
Okay.
and this is in Tulu we call lep.
Okay.
Yeah, lep.
Hello sir, I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It goes by the name Food Venture Folks. How do you find the food here?
Actually, I am coming here in the last more than 30 years.
30 years.
35 years.
Okay, nice to know that.
We are basically custom clearing and forwarding it.
Okay.
All areas are most probably related to the custom clearing. And we all came here and enjoy spacing this food, which is, you can say that
This is
red
the
rice,
Red rice, yeah.
then the chicken,
Chicken
with the
sukka, is it?
dry chicken.
Yeah, this is chicken
Sukka
sukka.
chicken. You can
Okay.
say sukka chicken with jada rice.
Okay.
Here
So that
they
combination
define
is the
that.
best. Okay.
And the gravy of chicken, we enjoy a lot. So many years we know each and every matters as well as so many years.
Okay, thank you for your review. So our final bill has come to 2926. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video till here. If you have, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as I keep making such videos. And let me know in the comment section which is the next restaurant that I should be visiting. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.